Hi everybody, welcome back to the TETRIX RoboByte video series. This is Tim from Pittsco Education. Today's RoboByte, we want to talk to you about the TETRIX Prime building plates. They come in 8 different sizes. They are part of the structure family in the TETRIX Prime ecosystem, but I have a 2x2, I have 2x3, 2x4, 2x6, 3x3, 4x4, 4x5. Last but not least, I have a 6x6. Now, the main purpose for a building plate obviously is to create a structural facet to actually build from. The unique properties of this particular plate are, again, the fact that the hole pattern is in the 2 different directions. So I can build and align my hole pattern in this direction as well as this direction. An example of that in use would be my rover that we made from our expansion set. You can see that I'm using the plate in this direction to build as a structure there, and then also in this direction. So that's one of the advantages of using this particular plate. Again, because of the hole pattern, it allows me to move things around in a very customizable way. An uncommon use would be creating, maybe because I've used these to create an actual custom plate with a void between them, I could actually create a custom gearbox by putting gears in between those. So that would be maybe more of an uncommon use. Things to think about, again, they are 2 millimeters thick. So that if that's not a lot of thickness, if you have things supported on the ends, they could potentially bend. So you need to remember to support them in the middle to keep them from bending. Obviously, if you want them to bend, you can do that. So that's one of the things that you think about. Remember that, again, you're also creating 2 millimeters of space. If I put that on top of a beam like that, I've got 2 millimeters that I've added to the thickness of the beam. That can change my hole alignment if I'm building in this direction. So those are things to think about from a troubleshooting perspective. Additional resources. Remember, you can always go to www.pitsco.com, and at the bottom of every single product page, there are additional files like spec sheets, CAD files. Everything you need to know about that specific product is available at the bottom of the product page. So like we say, have fun, build some robots, come back and see us.